Are you looking to mod your favorite Android games in a safe way and avoid all the fake mods out there?
Yes.
Do you want to see what kind of cheats are actually possible in your Android game?
Yes.
And see if there are mod menus, unlimited gems, or other powerful mods? Well then HackerBot is the solution. Simply go to the Googles and Google HackerBot. Go to hackerbot.net. Enter the name of your game. Online, offline, shooter, non-shooter. Start the tool. And the powerful HackerBot.net tool will show you exactly what kinds of mods are possible in your game. Everything else is fake. Fake.
So if you are tired of all the fakes out there and the mods that do not work, use HackerBot.net today.
If you want to see whether there are legitimate trusted providers working on your game, go to Get Cheats, select Android, mod or bot or cheat or whatever you are looking for, and start to scan. Our tool will now scan the whole internet for trusted providers making working mods for your game, which you can then download down below if they does exist. Keep in mind that working mods do not exist for every game, and unlimited money is only possible in offline games. Mod menus are even more rare. Online games store their money values on game servers where they cannot be modified, despite there being many websites out there that claim otherwise. It turns out making a website is much easier than actually making a mod. So use HackerBot.net to find legitimate providers that you can actually trust, and that won't get you a virus, and they'll actually get you working mods, instead of all the hundreds of fakes you've already probably downloaded at this point.
Wow, how did you know that I downloaded the fakies?
Simple, because all of the ones that you can easily find on the internet are fake.
And unless you know some of the very few trusted developers out there that actually create working mods, there is no way to actually find them, which is why you need to use HackerBot.net to access them. You can also Google HackerBot APK and download our app to access the tool even more easily. And if there are currently no working mods available for your game, because the few developers that actually make working mods have not come around to working on your game, check back every week, check all your games. Sadly, mods do not exist for every single game out there. They are most available for the most popular games. However, every single Android game can be cheated using different methods which you can find on this channel. So like the video and subscribe, and I will see you again soon with more
Knowledge.
Knowledge.